Hi, welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll discuss about the basics of Microsoft Word. So let me show you. This is I have opened a Microsoft Word and let me explain you what the structure look like. So example first, what I'm going to do. Uh, the this section once you open this MS Word, this section was saying, right? So this is called the ribbon. Okay, uh, so this is the ribbon, and the next you are seeing this is called, if you see this section, right? This is called the menu bar. Okay, and this section it's called the title bar. Okay, and this section is called quick access toolbar. Okay, and next, and this section and down we are seeing uh, uh, the 100% zoom and the plus or minus. This is called the zoom bar. Okay, and then the view tab is there, and the down section. So this is called the view tab, or someone called layout tab. Okay, and similarly we are seeing this scroll. This is called the scroll bar. This is called the vertical scroll bar. And similarly, then here here the horizontal scroll bar also can come down based on your view setup. And this area is the white space area. This is called the working writing area. Okay, and on top we are seeing this is the close button, and restore or minimize this button. Okay, and yeah, this is what the Microsoft Word basics looks like, and I will explain all other thing in detail in my uh, next video. Okay, thank you very much.